everybody, welcome back to another video. Do you remember what was the most famous thing about Fast and Furious movies and their cars? If you do, stop right now and comment that down below, because that's literally that's what we're doing today. We're doing something that was very, very famous back in the day when Fast and Furious was still about cars and not a freaking heist movie. If you don't remember, it was crazy, like fire stickers on your car, like different kind of, like, you know, livery, I think it's called. Different type of stickers. It was pretty famous. We're not doing that because the car has beautiful, nice yellow color, and I kind of match it right now. We're not doing that. We're not doing a crazy big subwoofer sound system. Well, you probably know by the title and the thumbnail, I guess. We're doing those crazy interior lights. And the lighting was just something that was so famous when the Fast and Furious era, I'm gonna say. That was just super famous. And I kinda dig it. I like how it looks. Alright, gotta find somewhere to put my camera up here. Alright, it's not bad. Not the best lighting, but we'll be here for like 2 seconds, so that's fine. So I picked these stuff up from Amazon. I took it out of the packaging. Let me bring the packaging one second. Okay. Here's the packaging. Cannot see it at all, can you? Alright, well, this is the packaging. It's nothing special. The brand is GoV. Packaging is not important. What's important is inside, which are these lights. And one of the best things about these lights is they literally just plug into your cigarette lighter, and with the click of a button and also an app on your phone, you can get these pretty lit. Your car's gonna be pretty lit too. That's right, we're almost the end of 2020 and I just made a lit reference. So these lights are pretty self-explanatory. There's just 3M on the back, and also they're just like long 4-piece wires. You could just wire it all the way down to, you know, your back seats and then your front seats. I don't have back seats, but I'm gonna put it behind the rear seats, so I don't know, just make it all light up inside. And also right under the driver's seat, and also right under the passenger side as well. All right, so here we have, hello, oil leak. Here we have four strips of LED lights. There's a controller right here, just on and off and whatnot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start on this side. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start on the back because this thing plugs into the back, and my cigarette lighter is towards the end of the car, so I don't. All right, so this is the back seat of my car, right here. My cigarette lighter is right here. Don't know why they put it here, but it's here. So first light, I think I'm gonna mount it right here along this edge right here, and then the rest of it, I guess I'll just like tuck it somewhere and then keep going to the other side. Here will be the first LED strip that will be here. This goes on to connect to the controller and also the switch that's here in the cigarette lighter. And then the other two go that way, but I'm gonna do this one. I'm just gonna stick it right here, and then this one kind of follows through. I'll tuck this in through the panels, and then I'll put this one somewhere down below the seat. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, this is just 3M on the back. I'm gonna slowly take this off. Damn, it was like it was made for this, because it's literally the thin plastic trim that's here. It's literally the same size as this thing. It's the same size as these lights. Not this thing, I don't know what I'm talking about. Right here. First one is good. Now I'm gonna tuck this somewhere right between the panels. So start right here. A little better. I'm tucking the cable right here and just into this plastic trim by the door. And I'm just gonna like follow it through with my hand. And we'll go all the way up to here, and then we'll mount it somewhere down there. I'm sorry if this is a super shitty explanation of how to do this. There's literally not a tutorial on this. They're lights with stickers, and you put them on there, and then you put it in your cigarette lighter, and that's it. Just tuck as best as you can. That's literally my only advice. Also, it's very hot, and I just want to get through with this and finish it. So yeah. All right, so I'm just finished, and I'm sweating like an animal. But I just finished, but since this video is about lights, and it's also a very short video, but it's also about lights. So it's daytime outside, so I can't really tell. But I'm gonna get back to you in like 2 seconds for you, a couple hours for me, and I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, so I tried to show you the best that I can of what this thing looks like, what the lights look like. I think it looks dope. It adds a real like nice aura and like a nice energy to the car. The ones in the back seats didn't really turn out the way I expected them to, but you know, it's no big deal. Still looks dope. I think it just needs more space in the back because right behind the seat you can't really, you know, you can't see it. Doesn't have the ones right under your foot look awesome. And yeah, overall I'm happy with it. That'll be it for today. If you like the video, please let me know down below by hitting the like button. If you don't like it, press dislike. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Peace.